Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're joining my YouTube channel for the very first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. My name is Tutor Glosh. In this channel, I take a step by step on how to start a YouTube channel as a beginner. So in today's class, we are going to be learning on how to create a YouTube account as a beginner. I'll be showing the step-by-step guide on what to do. So stay tuned in this video. Do you know what? Starting a YouTube channel is easier than many people think. Just follow this simple step I'm going to show you to launch your channel successfully. Please don't miss any part of this video because the place you might miss might be the one that will change the life of your channel. Number one, choose a clear niche. Before creating your channel, decide what you want to talk about. Yes, you cannot just create a channel without knowing what you want to teach people, because people want to learn from you. You can do educational channel, you can do tech channel, you can also do a prayer channel. Just do what you know you can do better, because as you create that channel, people are up to you. People want to learn something and get to the end of it. They want to learn something. So just decide on what you want to teach and do what you know you can deliver, what you know you can do better. Create your YouTube channel. Number two is to create your YouTube channel. You know, a lot of people in this system, they don't really know how to create a YouTube channel. So now you will learn how to create your YouTube channel. So what you should do now, go to YouTube. I will show you how to create it in the course of this video. I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel. I don't really want to create a YouTube channel, but because of this video, I'm going to guide you and show you how to create a YouTube channel. So now what you do now, go to YouTube. Yes, sign in with your Google account. Choose the particular Google account you want to sign in with. Then click your profile picture. Here now you can choose any picture of your choice. Okay, let me choose this picture. Choose your profile picture, then click create channel. Yes, click create channel, then enter your channel name. You can answer anything. You can give your channel any name you want to give your channel, but in the course of this video, I'm going to be giving this channel Glosh Empire. Okay, now we are finished creating the channel. Now your channel is live. So what are the next thing you are going to do? The number three, you design your channel. Design your channel the way you want. Make it catchy. Make your channel to look professional. Make your channel look professional. When people see it, they want to watch your video. Design your channel very well. Then your channel logo, you can go to Canva and create logo. There are many ways you can create logo. You can go to Pixar to create logo, but go to Canva. Canva is more easier and it's free. They have free ones you can use. Go to Canva and create your logo. Then you create your logo, design your profile picture, then design your YouTube banner. Yes, if you go to Canva, type YouTube banner, you will see how YouTube banner is, the size. Then you design the particular one you want. Then add your channel description. It is very important to add your channel description. Add your channel description. That one is very important. So I'm going to be showing you how to add channel description in this video. Okay, so now let's look at description. Okay, now let's go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help us to generate a very good description. Tell ChatGPT what you want to teach in your channel. ChatGPT, this Gemini is also okay to generate description. So go to ChatGPT or you go to Gemini to generate a description. Then channel keyword. You can also use ChatGPT to generate channel keyword. ChatGPT will help you. Gemini will help you to generate a channel keyword. Another app that can also help you to generate a channel keyword is a DeepSeek. Deep sync will also help you to generate a channel keyword. I'll be dropping the link to all these apps so that it will be easier for you on the comment section. Yes, then the number 4, which is the main one, verify your channel. Because if you didn't verify your channel, you cannot add thumbnail to your video. There are a lot of things the advanced feature will not open for you if you didn't verify your channel. That's the most important of it all. Verify your channel, because verification allow you to upload long video and to add your customized thumbnail. Yes, the thumbnail you generated from, you can use a Canva to generate your thumbnail to your video. Don't worry, in my next video I'll be showing you on how to create a thumbnail with Canva, and also how to create a thumbnail with other apps. Easier way to create a thumbnail. I'll be showing you. I'll be making a video on that one. So verify your account. It will help you to post your long video, and your thumbnail is very important. Please go to YouTube Studio. If you want to verify your channel, go to YouTube Studio. Let me show you how to do it. Go to YouTube Studio. Okay, click setting. Okay, then you click channel. Click on your channel there. Let's just go straight to future eligibility. Okay, first verify your phone number. When you verify your phone number, you see this down one, then you verify this one. Choose any one that you want here, verify it. It's very important. Then what you should do next, create your first video. That's the number 5. Create your first video. One thing you should know in creating your first video is your video should solve a problem. Yes, your video should solve a problem, and you speak clearly. Speak clearly. Keep the video simple. Don't prolong the video, talking while you're not giving people what they want to hear. Keep the video simple. Give real value. Give real value in your videos. Let people understand what you are teaching them. Let them know that after this video I'm going to know this. Not that I'm doing this on this channel, at the end of the day they are not learning anything in that video. Number 6, create a strong title. Create a strong title. Your title help people to find your video. Title your video very well. It help people to find your video very well. So create a strong title. Then number 7, create a clickable thumbnail. This is where verification come in. If you didn't verify your channel, you cannot upload your customized thumbnail. You can't. So it's better you verify your account. So in this number 7 is to create a clickable thumbnail. Thumbnail increase views on your channel. That's one good thing about thumbnail. You need to make your thumbnail to be catchy. Okay, I'll show you some of the thumbnails that you see other people that they create that make their video to go viral. Okay, you can look at this one. Okay, you see, when creating your thumbnail, please use big text. They use a bright color, and the words shouldn't be much, like 3 to 4 words only. It's very important. Number 8, write a good description. A good description help YouTube to push your video to the rightful people that need to view your video, and also help algorithm to push your video very well. So write a catchy description. ChatGPT can also help you to write a catchy description. Yes, then Gemini can also help you to write a catchy description in your video. So go ahead and generate your description. Number 9, upload consistently. Is very important. Upload consistently. Growth comes for consistently. Then you can also recommend schedule and posting your videos 2 to 3 times every week, but keep posting. keep posting. One, the algorithm will push your video. If this system, what you need to just to be consistent on this app. Once you are consistent, algorithm will be pushing your video to the rightful people that need to view your video. So be consistent on the app. Number 10, always ask for engagement. Always tell your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. It will also help your channel to grow as well. And if you have not watched the video on how to get your 1000 subscribers very fast, please go and watch this video showing. Go and watch it. It's very important. It will help you to generate your 1000 subscribers in just 24 hours. Yes. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, don't forget to like, drop your comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in my next video. Bye.